If you clicked on this video, that means that you're in the skincare space. And if this is the first time you're seeing me, hi, I'm Azra and I do content here at ZipChat AI. A couple of days ago, we covered Rhode as a part of our weekly brand breakdowns. For those of you who do not know Rhode is Hailey Bieber's beauty brand that went from being a rejected trademark into a billion-dollar acquisition in just 3 years. And here's the thing, Rhode is one of the most viral brands out there. So aesthetics are everything for them. Every single touch point has to feel on brand. They're in skincare, which means that customers constantly need help understanding the product, the ingredients, and what would work best for their own skin type. And on top of all that, they're growing super fast across many different countries, which means they need to reply instantly and in any language. As a brand in the skincare space, I'm guessing you deal with at least one of these. And that's exactly what I want to show you today, using Rhode as a live example and ZipChat AI as the tool. If you haven't watched the full Rhode brand breakdown, I highly suggest you go check it out. I left a link in the description box as well as here. It really is one of my favorite brands we ever covered on this channel. And trust me, we covered quite a lot. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's jump into the video. I'm gonna be setting up ZipChat for Rhode right now, completely from scratch and live. All I need from Rhode side is their website URL. I copy it and paste it over here at ZipChat, and that's literally it. ZipChat is now going through the entire Rhode website on its own. Every product, every ingredient list, every FAQ, and every collection they have, building a knowledge base automatically. And Rhode's entire store is now inside ZipChat. Now, this is what I call the starting point, because the automated crawling picks up whatever is publicly available on their website. But skincare brands like Rhode have a lot more to say than what's just available on their product pages. So in the AI training tab, you can always go deeper, add ingredient explanations, skin type guides, or routine recommendations. Really, anything that you want your AI to know. Okay, now let's see this in action. Now, there's one thing that I must mention, because this is Rhode we're talking about. Their entire brand is built on aesthetic coherence. Website, packaging, socials, email, everything looks the same, or at least super coherent. The last thing they would want is probably a generic chat widget that is killing that vibe. With ZipChat, you can fully customize everything. The agent name, the avatar, the colors, the welcome message. So Rhode, for example, could name their agents Hailey, add her actual photo, and suddenly the customers can feel like they're getting a recommendation straight from Hailey herself. Or if they think that's a little too much, they can always make it like an actual team member from the brand. Now let me show you one of my absolute favorite features in ZipChat. Shopping for skincare online is very difficult. Everyone's skin is different. A customer lands on the peptide glazing fluid, thinks, is this actually right for my skin, and leaves. Not because they didn't want the product, but because they weren't sure. Well, ZipChat jumps in before that happens. If someone's been at the checkout page for more than 1 or 2 minutes, it sends a proactive message. Something like, not sure if this is the right fit for your skin type, tell me your concern and I'll help you find the best fit. Or very similarly, it can handle things like shipping hesitations on the spot. You can set this up literally for any moment people second guess themselves. Rhode ships to the US, the UK, Canada, Europe, and Latin America. And someone landing on their site from France, from Brazil, from Germany, they have the exact same questions and same hesitations at checkout. Well, ZipChat works in more than 95 languages. The same agent that is answering questions in English is automatically switching to French, to Portuguese, German, whatever language the customer is typing in. And on top of that, if you're a brand like Rhode and you're building a very huge presence on social media, ZipChat doesn't just live on your website. It works across Instagram messages, TikTok Shop, WhatsApp, and email, giving the same on-brand answers instantly. If you're in the beauty or skincare space, or really any type of niche that customers need guidance before buying, this is a setup you need. I'm putting the link in the description box for those of you who want to see ZipChat live on your store. If you want us to build this out specifically for your brand, that's also completely possible. There's a separate link for that as well, so you can book a call directly from there. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with a brand new brand breakdown in a couple of days, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss that.